Ever wondered how Indian cuisine tastes in Portugal? A tantalizing fusion of two vibrant cultures, Indian cuisine is making waves in the Portuguese culinary scene. From the bustling streets of Lisbon to the serene beaches of Faro, the aromatic spices and diverse flavors of India are delighting palates across Portugal. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore some of the top Indian restaurants that are serving up a taste of India with a Portuguese twist. Join us on this gastronomic journey to discover the rich flavors of Indian cuisine in the heart of Portugal. Our first stop is Namastey, a hidden gem located in the beautiful city of Faro. As soon as you walk through its doors, you're greeted by the warm, welcoming atmosphere reminiscent of a traditional Indian home, coupled with the subtle charm of Portuguese aesthetics. The service is nothing short of exceptional, with a team that goes above and beyond, ensuring you have a memorable dining experience. The menu at Namastey is a delightful fusion of Indian and Portuguese flavors. Each dish is a symphony of spices and textures, taking your palate on a culinary journey from the lively street markets of Mumbai to the serene beaches of the Algarve. Standouts include their unique take on the traditional Portuguese dish, bacalhau, skillfully blended with Indian spices, and their signature naan bread, a fluffy and flavorful delight. Namastey in Faro is a true testament to the beautiful fusion of Indian and Portuguese flavors. Next, we travel to the bustling city of Albufeira, where we find Tasca David's. This charming restaurant is a gem in southern Portugal, well known for its unique take on Indian cuisine. The ambiance of Tasca David's is warm and inviting, perfectly complemented by their exemplary service. You'll feel right at home as the tantalizing aromas of Indian spices waft through the air, promising a mouth-watering meal. The standout dishes here are a symphony of flavors. From the succulent butter chicken, cooked to perfection in a rich, creamy sauce, to the vibrant vegetable biryani, every dish is a testament to the culinary prowess of the chefs. Desserts like gulab jamun will leave you craving more of their sweet, syrupy goodness. Tasca David's is not just a restaurant, but a culinary journey that transports you from the Portuguese coast to the bustling streets of India. Tasca David's in Albufeira is a must-visit for any foodie looking for a unique Indian culinary experience in Portugal. Our journey exploring Indian cuisine in Portugal has been nothing short of a flavor-packed adventure. We've savored the vibrant spices and warm hospitality at Namastey in Faro, and relished the coastal charm of Tasca David's in Albufeira. Each restaurant has served up an unforgettable fusion of Indian and Portuguese flavors. The overall impression? Indian cuisine in Portugal is a rich and diverse tapestry, and these gems are just the beginning. From the vibrant spices at Namastey to the coastal charm of Tasca David's, Indian cuisine in Portugal is a delightful fusion of flavors waiting to be explored.